Chapter 1 and exercise question number 12. 3 points are given A, B and C. A is 1 minus 8, B is minus 4, 7 and another point C is minus 7, minus 4, their position coordinates. And another point is O, origin. And you are asked to show that these 3 points lying on a circle with center at origin. So you see, if we draw a circle with these 3 points with radius center at origin, the circle will be like this. And we are asked to prove that these 3 points are lying on a circle with center at origin. That means you are asked to prove that these 3 distances are equal. Because in a circle, from the center you join to any point on the circle, it is equal and it is the radius. So we have to prove these 3 distances are equal. 3 distance means distance OA, distance OB and distance OC. We are asked to prove, we have to prove these 3 distances are equal. And the first thing is how to find the distance between 2 points. We have discussed in earlier videos. Distance, I am writing the formula again. Distance between 2 points. If any 2 points are given, their distance is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. So we will apply this formula for first for A, O to A, then again for OB, then again for OC, and we will get all the 3 distances. And if we get all the 3 distances equal, we will say that it is the 3 points are making a circle with center at origin. So first we will apply for O to A. So first point we will mark x1, y1. Any other point, one point is x1, y1, and the other point we mark x2, y2, and we will put the values in this formula. So we can find out distance OA first. x2 minus x1 square, 1 minus 0. y2 minus y1, minus 8 minus 0. If we simplify, 1 square is 1 and minus square is plus, 8 square is 64. So we are getting root over 65. Distance OA. Same way we will find out for O to B. O to B, it is x2 minus x1, minus 4 minus 0 square, then y2 minus y7 minus 0 square. It is minus square is plus 16 and 7 square 49. It is again root over 65. So you see first distance, second distance same. We have to again find out the third distance O to C. So O C, same formula again. x2 minus x1, minus 7 minus 0 square and y2 minus 4 minus 0 square. Again you see 7 square 49, minus square is positive, minus into minus, and then 16 again root over 65. So you see clearly you got OA equal to OB equal to OC because the 3 distances you see are equal, and the equal distance, that is actually the radius of the circle. It is the radius of the circle, and therefore points A, B and C lies on a circle with center at origin. Its center at origin O 0, 0. Now the second part is, this is the solution for the first part. Question number 12, there are 2 parts. You see first part solution is done. Now second part. Second part you see there are 2 points given D and E. D point is given minus 5, 6 and another point E is given 0, 9. And we have to check this point D is lying inside circle or outside circle, and even E also. So we can find out the distance. You see from O to D, if we find distance OD, same formula, O and D I am finding x2 minus x1 square. So minus 5 minus 0 square and 6 minus 0 square. How much it is you see? Minus square is plus, 5 square 25 and 36. It will be 61. So you see this radius is how much? Radius of this circle we got, it is root over 65. Radius is root over 65. And we are getting here root 61. So point D, point D you see it will be inside the circle because it is distance from center origin is root over 61. Root over 61 is less than root over 65. So clearly OD is less than radius. OD is root 61 and radius is root 65. So OD is less than, and so radius, so D is inside the circle. Point D is inside the circle. Same way we'll check for E. We'll check for E. So OE, if we find from O to E, you see O to E, na? O E here 0 minus 0 square and 9 x2 minus x1, 0 minus 9 minus 0 square. So it will be root over 81. Root over 81 is actually 9. So you see it is greater than the radius. So point E will go beyond of the circle. It will be somewhere outside the circle. So clearly we can write distance OE is greater than the radius. When it is greater than radius means up to this much is radius. It is bigger. So it is going beyond of the circles. Therefore point E is outside the circle. And this is the complete solution for this question. Okay.